I have 3 simple ways to help you come up with the $1 million idea. This is Professor Z. Join me on the journey to success, freedom, and satisfaction through entrepreneurship. Hi everyone, in the last video, we talked about how to make $1 million as an entrepreneur. If you missed it, here it is, the link to it, and subscribe to my channel for more entrepreneurship content. Now you determine how you want to make $1 million, we actually need a product or service. I have 3 simple ways to help you come up with the $1 million idea. The first method is just to copy a successful product and service. In this video, I have picked a $20 product that I want to use to get to $1 million. So for example, I'm talking about pizza. Everybody had pizza before. It isn't a foreign concept. So how can we use pizza to get to $1 million idea? So first, the method is just to copy something successful. For example, if you want to open a pizza shop, why not go find a very successful pizza shop that's been around there for a long time and just open a new one across the street? That way, you copy their success. There's less risk there. People already like pizza, and people already go to that location for pizza. So if you open a new business there, people will look at you as an alternative to the existing successful product, especially when it's busy. On the other hand, you're competing with a business that's long-standing, that's successful, that has a track history, that has a reputation. So you have to do something just a little bit better than the other business. We will have another video later on about exactly how to do that. Now, the second method is to improve on an underperforming product. For example, you go out there and find a pizza shop that's not doing very well. Maybe the customer service is bad, maybe they just need to make better pizza, or maybe they need to cut their expenses. Whatever the reason, they're not doing well. You can buy that place and then make it better. Improve on the product, improve on the service, reduce expenses to turn an underperforming business into a performing business. The third and last method is to go out there and find an unsolved problem or unserved need. For example, maybe there's a residential neighborhood with no takeout place or no fast food. There you can open a pizza shop because you know people will need food and they have nowhere to buy food from. So if you open a pizza shop there, it's likely you will be able to get a customer just for being there. Again, in this example, we picked a $20 product that we need 50,000 people to get to $1 million. If you sit down and do the math, if you have a successful pizza shop, that is not very difficult to achieve. So there you have it. Those are my 3 simple methods to come up with $1 million idea. What will you come up with? This is Professor Z. Join me on a journey to success, freedom, and satisfaction through entrepreneurship. If you like my simple approach to these seemingly complex problems, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more entrepreneurship content.